Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can a share your shared spreadsheet in Google Sheets view only. So let's get started by tap the blank spreadsheet if you don't have the file or sheet, or you can open one of your file here. This is the file I made before. So this file I will share to my friend by tap or by click the share button, but he can only view this document or these sheets. Not He cannot edit or copy or even print this document. You can click the share button and wait for it. This one, add people or add all one of your friend. You can notify him or her and make sure this is unchecked, the editor unchecked, and just click this viewer. So your friend can only view this document. He cannot edit or comment or download. After that, you tap or you click the send button and done. So if you want to your viewer edit your document, he has to ask your permission first. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.